Watch this before you declare bankruptcy. Declaring bankruptcy is a big decision, but it isn't one that you should shy away from. Life is notorious for coming up with the unexpected: a promotion, an illness, a pregnancy, or a breakup. Sometimes the unexpected gives us hope. Sometimes it throws us into turmoil. And sometimes it can send our financials into a tailspin. If you are struggling with overwhelming debt, bankruptcy might be the right next step for you. Bankruptcy gets a bad rep, but for certain debt situations it can be a godsend. Declaring bankruptcy will wipe away your unsecured debts. It gives you immediate protection from your creditors, known as a stay of proceedings. This means that creditors and collection agencies can no longer contact you. All legal proceedings that creditors have against you must stop, and wage garnishment will stop. Additionally, every debtor who declares bankruptcy is required to complete 2 credit counseling sessions. These sessions will identify the root of your debt problems and provide you with the tools you need to keep yourself out of debt. If there are no special circumstances, most first-time bankruptcies will be discharged in just 9 months. There are a few things to keep in mind before you declare bankruptcy. A bankruptcy will be marked on your credit score for 6 years after your discharge. If you have assets besides your home and car, say a boat or ski-doo, you may need to turn those over to the trustee for the benefit of your creditors. However, you are allowed to keep your basic assets. These may include your home, your car, your pension, any RRSPs, furniture, clothing, and tools you need for work. If you have surplus income over and above what the government has determined is necessary for a family of your size, you will be required to pay 50% of that surplus to the trustee for the benefit of your creditors. A bankruptcy does not relieve you of some student loan debts, fines of the court, child support payments, and alimony payments. There are alternatives to bankruptcy. There are a few other insolvency options that may fit your financial situation better than bankruptcy. Consider a consumer proposal. You may qualify if you are less than $250,000 in debt. This insolvency solution can reduce your debt by a substantial amount, some even as much as 95%. Through your trustee, you make a proposal to your creditors as to the sum that you will repay and the time period in which you will pay it. Once the proposal is agreed to by your creditors, it is legally binding on both you and the creditors. A consumer proposal is listed on your credit score for 3 years, starting from the time the final payment is made and the proposal is completed. A proposal allows you to keep your assets. In order to find out which solution is best for you, you need to first contact a licensed insolvency trustee, LIT. In Canada, an insolvency proceeding, like bankruptcy, a consumer proposal, or a Division I proposal can only be legally administered by an LIT. If you are thinking of declaring bankruptcy in Winnipeg, give us a call. We can set up a free consultation with one of our experienced LITs.